हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल दी सेलिंग लिस्ट। मेरे चैनल पे एक प्लेलिस्ट है डीजे शिपिंग एग्जिट एग्ज़ाम क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर, उसको आप विज़िट कीजिए। वहाँ पे आपको सारे वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे। एंड चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए ताकि मुझे भी इंकरेजमेंट मिलता है आपके लिए नए वीडियोस बनाने का। एंड नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए यानी बेल को, ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिल जाए। तो चलिए इसमें हम डिस्कस करते हैं सेट नंबर 7 फॉर रिफ्रेशर FPST and PSCRB DG shipping exit examination with question and answers. So question number 41, फ्रैपिंग लाइन्स क्या होता है? इसका आंसर है डी, रिड्यूस द स्विंगिंग ऑफ लाइव बोट एट द एम्बार्केशन लेवल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 42 आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 42 है, विच स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू कंसर्निंग द लाइव बोट क्रैप्स। और इसका आंसर है दे मे आई बी एडजस्टेड बाय टर्न बकल्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 43, after the boat is at the top of the davit head, the davit head arms begin moving up the tracks and are stopped by the answer C limit switch. Question 44, limit switches. Answer A C, cut off the power to the winch when the lifeboat nears the final stored position, normally before 12 inches. उसका भी क्वेश्चन आएगा आगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 45, लिमिट स्विचेस आर यूज ऑन विच डेविड्स, ऑलवेज ऑन ग्रेविटी डेविड्स। Question number 46, limit switches on gravity davits should be tested by, answer C है pushing the switch lever arm while the winch is running. Question number 47, what is the purpose of limit switch on gravity davit? Answer C, to cut off the power when the davit are about 12 inches or more from the track safety stops. Question number 48, when hoisting a boat on gravity type davits using an electric motor driven winch, the davit arm should be brought up, answer C, until just before they make contact with the limit switch and then hand cranked to their final position. Question number 49, when operating gravity davits, the davit should always be hand cranked the last 12 inches into the final stored position. Question number 50, you will find a limit switch on a gravity davit. Question number 51, what could be the result of insufficient lubrication of lifeboat winches and davits? इसका आंसर है डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। सो लेट्स सी क्या क्या है उसमें। मॉइस्चर अकोमोडेशन इन विंच मोटर डैमेजिंग द इलेक्ट्रिकल वायरिंग, freezing of gear in cold weather, corroding of sheaves on davits so they will not rotate. Question number 52, preventer bar are fitted on lifeboat releasing gear to prevent, answer D, accidental unhooking when the falls become slack. Question number 53, most lifeboats are equipped with, क्वेश्चन नंबर इसका आंसर है अनबैलेंस्ड रडर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 54, हाउ शुड द लाइफ बोट सीप एंटर बी रिग्ड, आंसर सी, secure to the inboard side of forward thwart and laid inboard of the falls. Question number 55, if lifeboat is stowed 40 feet above the light water draft and 200 feet from the bow, how long must be the ship enter? It is answer 80 feet, normally twice the हाइट जो फ्री बोर्ड का हाइट होता है, यानी कि लाइट वाटर ड्राफ्ट से उसका डबल हाइट होना चाहिए। 40 का डबल है 80। क्वेश्चन नंबर 56, द पेंटर विच इज़ टू बी अटैच टू द थ्वाट ऑफ लाइफ बोट शुड हैव लॉन्ग आइस, आंसर से हैव लॉन्ग आइस प्लस एट द एंड एंड हार्ड वुड टॉगल शुड बी अटैच टू द थ्वाट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 57, the sea painter is secured in a lifeboat by a turn around a forward thwart with the toggle pin through the eye. Question number 58, the sea painter of lifeboat should be laid, answer A, forward and outside of all obstructions. Question number 59, the sea painter of lifeboat should be secured, answer B, to an inboard thwart in the forward one third of the boat. Question number 60, what is the best procedure for picking up lifeboat at sea while utilizing the lifeboat sea painter? Answer A, B, place the lifeboat ahead to and leeward of your ship with the wind about broad on the bow of your ship. Question number 61, what is required minimum length of painter for lifeboat in ocean service? Answer A, D, 2 times the distance from the boat deck to the light water line, or 50 feet, whichever is greater. Question number 62. When picking up lifeboat at sea with the way on the ship, the sea painter should be secured. Answer A, well forward in the lifeboat. Question number 63. Which item is of the most use in getting lifeboat away from the moving vessel? Answer A, sea painter. 64. On open lifeboat, the purpose of wire stretched between the davit head is to answer D, support the manrope. Question 66. Where the propeller shaft passes through the hull, water is prevented from entering by means of A, answer stepping box. Sweep oar is an oar that is, answer A, D, longer than the other oars used for steering. Question 68. The length of the sweep steering oar in the lifeboat is, answer B, longer than the rowing oar. दोस्तों आई एम सॉरी, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स है, टाइपिंग मिस्टेक्स है, तो मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ आप उसके साथ टेक्स्ट को कंपेयर कीजिए, तो आपको कुछ कन्फ्यूजन नहीं होगा और आप कुछ मिस्टेक्स भी नहीं होगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 69. द स्टेयरिंग ओवर इन द लाइफ बोट इज, उसका आंसर है डी, लॉन्गर दैन द अदर्स एंड शुड बी लैश्ड टू द स्टेम. Question number 17. What should be used to steer an open lifeboat if the rudder becomes lost or damaged? Answer C, steering oar. Question number 71. In launching a lifeboat, question number 71. In launching a lifeboat, when should the rising pendant be released? Answer D, after all people have been embarked. Question number 72. The purpose of tricing pendant is to, answer D, hold the lifeboat next to the embarkation deck while loading. Question 73. The tricing pendant should be released. Answer B, after loading the passenger. Question number 74. When launching a lifeboat, the tricing pendant should be released. Answer C, before the boat is lowered from the embarkation level. Question 75. When lowering a boat with gravity davit, it will be pulled into the embarkation deck by, answer C, tricing pendant. Question 76. Which one of the first actions should you take after abandoning and clearing away from the vessel? Answer A, identify the person in charge. Question 77. When transferring survival from enclosed lifeboat to rescue vessel, personnel on board the boat should, answer C, remain seated inside and make transfer one person at the time. Question 78. When helicopter is lifting personnel from enclosed lifeboat, the other individual in the boat should, answer D, remain seated inside to provide body weight for stability. Question 79. If the coxswain of your lifeboat gives command hold water, you should, इसका आंसर है complete the stroke, raise your oar slightly, swinging the oar slightly forward and place it in the boat. Question 80. If the steersman of your lifeboat gives command weigh enough, you should complete the stroke, raise your slightly, swing it forward and place it in the boat. Question number 81. The boat command that complete the stroke and level the oar horizontally with the blade trimmed fore and aft is oars. The command oars means to B, complete the stroke and bring the oars horizontal, blades feathered. So thank you guys for watching this video.